How to use Binance Convert if trading is restricted in your region. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use the Convert feature in Binance even if trading is restricted. So converting the cryptos in the Binance app is really easy. It doesn't have to be through other third-party softwares. So I'll show you how you can do it. First thing first, open up Binance and make sure that you're logged into your account. From here, make sure you're on the Exchange tab at the top and tap on the three dots right besides on the top left corner. From there, you can find your shortcuts. You have your rewards hub, referral, and alpha events, edits. So right below there, you have more services at the bottom. Tap on it. And from more services, you can find common functions, gift and campaigns, and other stuff from here. You have trade, earn, finance, and more. So you just want to go over to the trade section. From here, you just find the convert at the very first. So tap on it. Select what you want to convert from. So let's say if I want to convert BTC to USDT, I'll just select from at the drop down and select BTC. If you don't see it here, go ahead and search for it. Select that. And on to section, you can just select USDT, which is already selected. Now enter the amount that you want to convert. Let's say if I want to know how much one BTC is on USDT, it's approximately 87,332 USDT with the current market value. It keeps refreshing, so you'll get the live results. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.